What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to draw loose structure for F2. So first of all I need to find total valence electrons, which we have F belongs to group 7, 7 plus 7, it's going to be 14 electrons. So then we have F here, so we have 2 electrons, so 14 minus 2 is going to be 12, so it's the remaining electrons is going to be 12. We distribute it between these two, so we have something like that. Let's see if the octet rule is valid. We have 2, 4, 6 and 8, so octet rule is valid as well. So that's the loose structure for F2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.